Arizona's medical marijuana law put to the test today in court as lawyers on both sides of the issue argue its validity. ABC 15's Mary Ellen Resendez is live at the county courthouse with what's at stake. Mary Ellen?
Chris, right now, Judge Michael Gordon has a huge decision to make. He basically has to decide whether or not Arizona's medical marijuana law whether it violates federal law. That's the Federal Substance Abuse Act. And of course, that's a huge decision to make. When it all started very small, it started with the White Mountain Health Center. They want to be able to distribute and sell marijuana, so they've applied for a permit, but the county won't grant that permit, so they're suing. Now, according to County Attorney Bill Montgomery, he's arguing that the medical marijuana law violates federal law. And which brings it down to the judge deciding whether or not federal anti-drug laws preempt the state's voter-approved medical marijuana law. Montgomery says that the voters did it all wrong. What they should have done is they should have just decriminalized marijuana altogether.
I would argue against decriminalization too, but if voters made that a decision, that's a more lawful way to go about trying to accomplish the end goal of whatever it is. And it's a much more honest and upfront argument, too.
What Arizona voters did is they did it right. And they decided to, in this case, allow medical marijuana. They happen to want to keep other marijuana criminal. And they've simply passed a law that allows sick people to get access to their medicine.
Now, the ACLU is arguing that the law is absolutely legal under the 10th Amendment, under the state's sovereignty constitutional right. Now, the judge says he's not going to give a date as far as when that decision is going to come in. He says this is a very big case. He plans to take his time and look at it, and we'll issue a decision when it's time. Chris?
I guess it's stay tuned for everyone involved. Mary Ellen, thank you very much for that.